Rabbit said, "Let's race today." Turtle smiled, "Okay, okay." Ready, set, go, they took their flight. Rabbit ran fast, what a sight! Hop, 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 so quick and bright. Turtle walked slow, but doing it right. Round the hill and down the lane, slow and steady wins the day. Rabbit paused beneath the sun, dreamed he'd already won. Turtle tapped along the track, never stopping, never slack. Rain fell hard, but he stayed true. Each step closer, breaking through. Hop, 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 so quick and bright. Turtle walked slow, but doing it right. Round the hill and down the lane, slow and steady wins the day. Rabbit woke with a startled yawn, saw the turtle far and gone. He dashed, he darted, tried to reclaim, but slow and steady won the game.